The structural integrity here is compromised. We cannot use the primary access point.
But the secondary route risks the starboard collapse.
Comms check. Diver 1, loud and clear.
Diver 2, check.
Diver 3, reporting in. All systems functional.
The retrieved cores reveal a shocking sight. A specialized bacteria colony is rapidly consuming the wreck's steel structure.
Adjust the angle here. The load distribution is too high.
Reinforcing the connection points now, but the clearance is tight.
We must account for the swell. We can't risk slippage.
Rerunning the maneuver now. Pressure looks good.
Confirmed. The adjustments to the hydraulics seem to have corrected the yaw instability we saw earlier.
Manipulator arm secure. Tool load confirmed. How copy on your end, Charlie?
All green, Alpha. Ready for launch.
Inflation looks good on bag 2.
Roger that. Initiating ascent sequence now.
Metal fatigue scans clear. Proceeding with preservation protocol. Injecting stabilizer fluid now. Levels nominal.
We've reached the stern section. The challenge here is the fragmented hull, requiring careful navigation and precise.
Stern is rising. Maintain pressure on bags 3 and 4. Copy that. Currents are increasing.
Hold tension on the starboard line. Ease the crane cable down, slowly.
Scanning completed on boiler Alpha. Significant corrosion noted.
Acknowledged.
Building the future fleet right here in Halifax. Today, we witness a critical step in this massive undertaking.
The starboard side scan is completing. Look at the detail on that funnel structure.
Electrolytic reduction is the safest way to remove the rust without damaging the steel structure.
Provided we monitor the voltage to prevent embrittlement.
Agreed. It ensures minimal impact.
Yeah.
Adjusting voltage now. Keep an eye on the pH.
It's climbing steadily. The rust is almost gone.
Confirmed. Luster restored.
The hull plating looks solid.
Rivet patterns are perfectly preserved.
The cleaning job is excellent.
The die is wicking rapidly into the microfractures here.
Confirmed. The depth reading on the G-scope shows significant... Check the alignment on section 3. Looks good. All right, securing this beam now.
Make sure the tension is absolutely even on this side.
It is. I'm just securing the edge now.
After threading the new wiring harness, we secure the original paneling, keeping the upgrades discreet yet fully accessible for future maintenance.
According to the schematic, this unit goes right here, and that aligns perfectly with the salvage transceiver placement. And the main connections are secure now.
Peak pressure achieved. We have sustained green readings.
Acknowledged. The validation is complete. Initiate retraction sequence.
We apply the sealant and immediately test every seam with high-pressure hoses. As you can see, the enhanced durability ensures zero penetration.
Stand clear of the rails.
We did it! God bless the Voyager!
Helm, initiating starboard turn to course 300. Mark.
Bridge, radar confirms vector change. Systems responding normally.
Right this way for cabins, A deck.
Oh, do be careful with that trunk.
Goodbye, Thomas.
Secure the stanchions on the left.
Crane 2, hold position.
Drones are clear for ascent.
Welcome ashore, sir. We are honored to have you.
Welcome to the Grand Hall. Alarm initiated.
Confirmed. Video feed synchronized and stable.
Looks good. Structure is sound, finishes are excellent.
Agreed. Punch list is clear.
We are ready for sign-off.
They truly brought it back to life.
It's even more magnificent than the pictures.
Look at that chandelier.
My grandfather was on a ship just like this one in 1942.
Look at this manifest. They were only 16 years old.
Meticulous preservation routines involve both the gentle dusting of delicate artifacts and the regular monitoring of environmental factors like humidity levels.
This is an urgent update.
Reports are coming in from London, Tokyo, and New York.
Just submitted my 5-star review.
Me too. Can't wait for next year.
Digital scans are uploaded and restored, integrating this legacy documentation into the archive for future generations.
These solar panels will cover 50% of the ship's energy needs, drastically reducing our carbon footprint.
Crafted with dedication, she sails towards the horizon, an enduring symbol of our legacy.